Good morning, people. Saturday. We're at this basketball court. I got a track set up. I got a couple of guys coming out. I got my son fixing to do some time lapse just to get an idea of what we're going on. You tell me, Chris. Whoa. So here's the track setup we got. Go around that. Turn there. Oh, he's losing it. 17 seconds. We're out here waiting on a couple of other guys. We're gonna try to take those bad boys out. I've never even showed y'all them. So do a comparison test. This is the Tamiya F1 and that's the Exotech F1. We got the Porch, that's the HPI brushless. We got a no, this is a Team Associated. That's that little pickup truck they made. I took the truck off it. That's a Kyosha that I stretched out to fit the Charger because I didn't want to buy a Charger chassis. And that's another Kyosha right there out of the box. There you go, Juan. Right between them, Juan. Sick. There you go, Juan. There you go, Juan. Oh, your wheel!
Maybe the drum too.